Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade with no stove. First, gather your ingredients. About 6 to 8 fresh lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. You'll also need a large pitcher and a lemon juicer. Make sure your lemons are at room temperature for easier juicing. This method is quick and perfect for a refreshing drink on a warm day. Now, let's get that delicious lemon juice. Roll your lemons firmly on a countertop before cutting them in half. This helps release more juice. Use your juicer to extract all the juice from each lemon half. Aim for about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Once juiced, strain it through a fine mesh sieve to remove any seeds or excessive pulp, ensuring a smooth lemonade. Next, we'll combine everything. In your large pitcher, pour the strained lemon juice. Add the 1 cup of granulated sugar. Stir vigorously until the sugar completely dissolves. Then, pour in the 4 cups of cold water. Mix everything thoroughly. Taste your lemonade and adjust the sweetness if desired by adding a little more sugar or water. Chill for at least 30 minutes. Your homemade, no-cook lemonade is ready to enjoy. Serve it over plenty of ice, garnished with fresh lemon slices, or a sprig of mint for an extra touch. This refreshing drink is perfect for any occasion. Store any leftover lemonade in a sealed pitcher in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.